Hello everyone. Today in the second episode of the Abacus, we are going to learn how to add and subtract in lower beats. In the before lesson we learned how to identify numbers, and before we start the second lesson we are just going to recap identifying numbers. So I'm going to show you a number here and you write down in the comments down below. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Yes, the answer is 84. 50, 60, 70, 80. So this thing is 80 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 84. Yes, the answer is 56. 50 up there, 55 because 50, this is 50, this is 5 and this is 50 plus 5 plus 1. So this is 6, so 56. And yes, the answer is 34. 10, 20, 30. So this is 30. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34. Yes, the answer is 59. This beat is 50. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 59. So I think you have understood the concept of identifying numbers. So we are going to go to the next lesson, which is addition and subtraction of lower beats. So this is the step where we learn how to add with the abacus and also subtract, but only for the lower beats, and we are going to increase our way up. So as you can see the abacus, if you see, let's ask a question. 1 plus 3 minus 2. Okay, so for doing this we need to see 1. So the first number is 1, so you need to take one number up and then add 3 to it, because 1 plus 3, so we need to add 1, 2, 3 and then minus 2. So we need to decrease it, not increase. If you increase it, it be upper beats, but now we need to decrease it because it's minus 2. Minus 2 means you need to take out. Add means you need to add, just increase the number, and for subtraction is decrease. So we need to decrease 2. So it will be 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Now let's go to another question. 2 minus 2 plus 1. So for that 2, we already have 2. Okay, see, I will again show you. 1, 2, so this is 2, and minus 2, so we need to decrease it. So minus 1, 2, so we decrease 2 and then we need to add 1 to this, so it's another 1. We need to add 1 more, so the answer is 1. Let's go one more question. 4, so 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 I told you to take away, so I take away 1 and then I need to add on because plus 1, so I need to increase 1, so there. So the answer is 4. See, as you can see, the answer is 4. Now 3 minus 1 plus 1, 3. See here, 3. Now we need to do minus 1, so it will take away 1. So this one we need to take it away and then we need to add 1. So the answer is 3. Now next question. 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 minus 2. So we need to take away 2. So it's 1, 2. So now plus 1, 2, plus 1. So how to do plus 1? We add 1 more. So this is the answer, 3. Now one more. 2 plus 2 minus 1. You see 2, as you can see 1, 2. So this is 2. Mine plus 2. So plus 2 is another 2. So it will be 3, 4. And then we need to minus 1. So for minusing 1, we need to take away 1. So we need to take away this. So it go 3. So the answer is 3. Next question. 3 minus 3 plus 2. So 3, we already have 3 because it's 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 3. So we need to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And add 2 to this. So it will be 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Now 3 plus 1 minus 1. 3 plus 1. So we need to add 1 to this. It's 3 plus 1. So it's 4. Minus 1. We need to take out 1. So it will be 3. So the answer is 3. And one more. 2 minus 1. So 2, 1, 2 minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2. So the answer is 3 because 1 plus 2 is 3. See 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 2. So 3. 3 is the answer. One more. 1 plus 2. So how to do plus 2? We need to add 2. So 1, 2. So the answer is 3. And then we need to add 1 more. So the answer is 4. So these are 10 questions I gave you. So we are going to the next topic, which is addition of the upper bead. It might look a bit complex, but it's not. It's very easy. So so let's go with the questions directly. So the question is 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 1 plus 2. So 1, 2 and plus 5. So as you remember, in the last session we told that this bead or the bead which is up above the bar is called counted as 5. So this is 5 itself. This bead is 5. So we drag it down because it needs to touch the bar to get counted. So this is 5. So 8. The answer is 8. Now let's go to the next question. 5. Remember 5? So this is 5. 5 plus 3 minus 2. So plus 3. 1, 2, 3 minus 2. So take away 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 6. Now let's go one more question. 5. So this is 5. So this 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 7 minus 1. So I need to take away 1. So the answer is 6. Now 4 plus 5 minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 plus 5. So that's a 5. Remember this is 5. So 5 minus 1. So take away 1. So answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Next 4. Remember 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3. So take away 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 5. So we need to add 5. So take the upper bead and drag it down. So the answer is 6. Now 3 plus 5 minus 2. 3 plus 5. So add 5. Minus 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 6. Now another one. 3 minus 2. So take away 2. So 1, 2 plus 5. So take the 5 and drag it down. So its answer is 6. Another one. 3 minus 2. So take away 2. So 1, 2 plus 5. Answer is 6 again. Another one. 3 minus 1. So take away 1. So 1 and plus 5. So answer is 7. See, 7. 5, 6, 7. Next one. 2 plus 5. So plus 5 means you need to add 5. So take the 5 and drag it down. So the answer is 7. minus 1. So we need to take away 1. So 1. So the answer is 5 plus 1, 6. And the 10th question, 4 minus 3. So we need to take away 3. 1, 2, 3 and add 5. So the upper beat drag down, answer is 6. So I think so you have clearly understood the addition of upper beat and also addition and subtraction of lower beat. So we end this session by these two topics. If you have any queries, ask down in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.